Hi, I'm Lisa Florence, licensed esthetician here at Cynthia Gregg Face and Body Specialist. Thank you so much for allowing us to show our appreciation with this one-day event. A significant part of our commitment to patient safety is how we vet products and services that we offer. Should you have any questions about my presentation, please email them to skincarequestions@cynthiagreggmd.com. We're so grateful that you trust us, and I want to share some behind the scenes with you on how we choose what ends up on our retail shelves. First is we start with the science. When a new product is announced or a small company reaches out to us, we review the manufacturer's white papers, clinical studies, safety data, and full list of ingredients. If the evidence is not solid, it stops there. Next, we evaluate the formula. We look for concentration of actives, how it's delivered into the skin, the stability of the product, the tolerability for different types of skin, and also how it fits into different treatment plans. Next, we do our in-house testing. That's of course my favorite part because we get to take products home and evaluate them for you. We use them ourselves, and because we have such a diverse group of employees here, each of us has, whether it's sensitive skin, postmenopausal skin, oily skin, acneic skin, we all have a chance to evaluate how the product works, see if there's any adverse side effects that we want to avoid, and also helps us decide what type of protocols we want to add this to, who's this product going to be most effective, and we have an opportunity to discuss this amongst our peers and decide whether or not it's a good fit. Next, we meet as a group. We discuss the product, who it's most helpful for, whether it fills a true gap in our lineup, whether it improves something that we've carried previously, and if it's too redundant, we'll pass if it's not a true improvement in the marketplace. If it's clearly better, we may archive or retire an older option. Next comes the physician review. Dr. Gregg and Dr. Wu review any products used around surgery or any post-procedure plan. Of course, our physicians weigh in. Only then do we offer it to you. Our team then studies the correct use, interactions with any treatments, treatment protocols, so you get consistent, safe results. As far as safety is concerned, an additional note, the internet can be a tricky place to purchase skincare. Outsiders may offer products that look a lot like the original, but can be outdated, stored improperly, even filled with a different type of product entirely. Counterfeit items can look very convincing, including packaging, batch codes, and some products are also diverted from other countries that are not made for our climate, don't meet the safety standards of our country, and there's no guarantee of potency or safety. So when buying products, we like you to come into the office. Buying in-house matters. Everything that we stock comes directly from the proper channels. It's stored correctly. It is fresh. It's also backed by the manufacturer. We as a team and as providers educate you as to the proper use of that product. If anything ever happens and you have questions, you can come back to us. And if something's not right, we can adjust it into your protocol. Our goal is simple, effective, safe products and your peace of mind every time you bring something home. I hope that you enjoy hearing about a little bit of the behind the scenes of how we choose products before we bring them to you. Next up is Megan and Andrea. They're going to talk to you about providing natural looking results with a commitment to safety as always. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.